Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly scrumptious in store for you. We're diving into the world of carrot cake, but with a twist. Get ready to witness the alluring beauty of our naked carrot cake. That's right, no heavy frosting to hide its natural goodness. So let's roll up our sleeves and bake up a storm. Before we get started, let's take a look at what we'll need. 2 cups of grated fresh carrots, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, optional for that extra crunch. All right, let's jump right into the batter making process. 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the sugar, vegetable oil, and eggs. Give it a good whisk until well combined and slightly fluffy. 2. Add in the grated carrots and vanilla extract. Mix everything until the carrots are evenly distributed. 3. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ground cinnamon, and ground nutmeg. 4. Gradually incorporate the dry mixture into the wet mixture. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. 5. If you're a fan of that nutty goodness, fold in the chopped walnuts. With our batter ready, it's time to give it life in the oven. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Grease and flour your cake pan. 3. Pour the batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. 4. Pop it into the preheated oven and bake for around 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, revealing our naked carrot cake. 1. Carefully remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. 2. Gently run a knife around the edges to loosen it up. 3. Place a cooling rack on top of the cake and flip it over. 4. Slowly lift the pan, unveiling the gorgeous golden brown top of our carrot cake. Our naked carrot cake is already stunning on its own, but a light dusting of powdered sugar won't hurt. 1. Sift a bit of powdered sugar over the cake for an elegant touch. 2. Slice it up and reveal those beautiful carrot specks and the moist crumb. And there you have it. A simple yet stunning naked carrot cake that's all about celebrating the flavors and textures. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more delectable creations. Until next time, happy baking!